In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Slack workspace. If you've been invited to collaborate with a team on Slack, there are two simple ways to get in, through an email invitation or by using a direct invite link. I'll walk you through both so you can start working with your team right away. First, let's cover the email invitation. When someone invites you to a workspace, you'll receive an email from Slack on behalf of that team. Open the email and look for the Join button. Clicking that button takes you to Slack in your web browser, where you'll see the workspace name and a prompt to continue. Select Continue with Email. At this point, Slack will ask you to either log in to an existing account or create a new one. If you already have a Slack account with the same email address that received the invitation, simply sign in and you'll be added to the workspace. If you're new to Slack, choose to create your account and follow the prompts to set up your details. Keep an eye on the page to confirm you're joining the correct workspace before you proceed. Now, if someone shares a direct link with you instead of sending an email, the process is just as smooth. Click the link you were given, and your browser will open a Slack page for that workspace. Again, select Continue with Email. From there, either log into your existing Slack account or create a new one. Once authenticated, Slack will connect you to the workspace associated with that link. You'll know it worked when you land in the workspace's main view and can see channels and messages. A couple of quick tips to make this seamless. Use the same email address that your team expects for the invitation to avoid any mismatch. If you click Join and see an error or an expired link message, reach back to the person who invited you and ask them to resend the invite or share a fresh link. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, allow Slack for this session so the join flow can complete without interruptions. And if you prefer using the Slack app later, you can sign in there with the same account. Your workspace membership will already be in place. That's all it takes. Whether you join from an email or a shared link, choose Continue with Email, then create your account or log in, and you're in. Thanks for watching, and enjoy collaborating in your new Slack workspace.